Here I have Realme 5i, and today I'm going to show you how to insert SIM card and SD card into this device. So for this operation you will need this kind of tool to eject the SIM card and SD card slot, which is located here. So just put the slot inside the hole next, just put the tool inside the hole next to the slot, and here you have to put your SD card and next to it your SIM card. And then put it back into your device just like this. And as you can see, it requires PIN code to my SIM card, which is the proof that SIM card is read. And there is also a notification appeared that okay, so there is no notification about that, but I can show you by going to the files. Oh yeah, here they are. And now we have SD card here, which is the proof that SD card is also read. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.